Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Sunglider from Adopt Me. So let's get started. To draw this very awesome Sunglider, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And now that I have this circle in, I'm going to draw the other eye at a slight angle. So I'm going to come right about here, angle it out, and say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another curve the same height as this side. And right here, we're just going to kind of draw this ovalish shape. So about right there, we're going to come down and finish it off. There. So now that we have that, I'm going to come right here and draw a circle for a highlight and shade this all in. So we're drawing the head and the body at a slight angle, so that's why we're having the eye like this. So put another highlight right here and shade this all in as well. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come right here where the 2 points are on top and bottom. And I'm going to start right here and just give myself a point in here as well. This is where the side of the head's going to start. And we're going to come down right here and come in. And about right there, we're going to come down and go around. So we're going to go underneath the other eye. About right there. So this is a little bit tricky right here, but we just want to give this part right here a slight angle. And then this part is going to go up. Up and then in for the top of our head. So it's going to go over the eye. There. Kind of looks like an alien, right? And then we're going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. There. Then from there, we're going to come into this area, kind of at the slant of this eye, about right here. I'll just start about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From here, I'm going to draw the ears. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish the head and bring it all the way back to here. But I don't want to erase. I'm going to start right about in this area, and we're going to go up nice and high for this ear. And we're going to go real high. So let's see about right there. Okay, I think that's enough. And we're going to bring it down. To about right here, and then we're going to curve it out for this other part of the ear. That breaks it up, and then bring it right back in. There. So it's this kind of leaf shape, I guess. And then for some details, come right here. And we're going to draw a curve. And here. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish the head shape. So I'm just going to bring this down. Imagine this coming around, so about right here. We're going to finish it off. There. Okay, so we've got this head in, right? And then from there, actually, you know what? I'm going to pop this out a little bit more. Give it a little bit more definition right here. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the other ear. So about, let's say about right here on the other side. And once again, we're going to go up nice and high, just like the other side. Curve about right there. Just a little bit higher, and then bring it down. And about right here, I'll just give it a little notch as well, and then bring it in. And then for some detail, you come right here with a curve. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the body. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a small curve, and then right here underneath this eye, on the side right here, we're going to come down for our body. So let's bring this down. And then in this area, I'm going to draw the wing first. So I'm going to come about right here where the head is. And we're just going to draw a curve in this area. So we know the body is about right here. So I want the wing about right here. We're going to draw that curve, and then we're going to go up. Okay, so then now that we have this shape in, we're going to flare this wing out. So I'm going to come right here, give a little notch, come out, another notch, and we're going to flare it out. So let's go up, and we're going to go as high as the ears, so about right here. And then at the end, we're just going to curve it and bring it in. So now we're going to start to build 4 layers for this wing. So we're going to come down and in, just follow this curve. And say about right here, I'm going to stop and then come out with the second layer. And once again, just curve about right there. Bring it in once again, down. So just bring it all the way down to here, go out again. And it's going to get shorter. It's going to kind of start wrapping around. And in, and as we come in, coming down again. So just remember you're still coming down at the same width. And then one more. And curve once again. And bring it all the way back. There. So hopefully I was able to help you with that. And then in between, we're just going to draw the wing, the web part. So say about right here. Curve. Curve. Another one here to finish it off. And let's see, now we can finish the body. So let's bring this curve down, whatever space you have, coming down. And then the tail goes up. And thank goodness we don't have to draw any of that. So we're going to come right about here and finish off the body. And just connect. There, this is like a bird, right? Okay, and then in this area, we need to separate the tummy area. So we're going to draw a curve right here and just taper it in. And then in this area, there's a lot of little spots right here, but I'm just going to do that when I color so I don't muddle up the Sharpie. And here as well, there's lots of pattern of just round colors right here. Then from there, let's draw the other wing. So we're going to come here. And once again, one, just like that, right? So, and then go up and nice and high. So in between the ears, right about here, down. So just following the original. So stuck a wing right about here. And I don't have to worry if it makes sense or not, because that's how that's how the original looks. So then right here, I'm just going to connect, and I'm going to leave it like that without adding any more, just to make it simpler. And then from there, let's draw the feet. So right underneath this chest area, let's draw the first gumdrop feet. One, then there's going to be one about right here. And then going at an angle right about here underneath. Oops, and one more about right here. You just see a little part of it. And let's see, that is pretty much it for my drawing here of the Sunglider from Adopt Me. I really hope I helped you draw. I know it's a little complicated, especially this wing and this head shape, but I hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.